Swipe is a stage where organizations can make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges universally. Clients can rapidly send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will deal with the administration issue, consistency, and organization financial aspects. Swipe tokens associate with significant installments frameworks around the world and assist organizations with switching their cryptographic money over completely to stable coins or fiat-subsidized cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the expert card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on Finance Shrewd Chain and Ethereum. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with an expect to make crypto interoperability with customary money, and it was subsequently gained by Binance in 2020. Swipe has predominantly three parts: the primary organization which, first and foremost, creates check cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so forth. Also, Binance, the primary partners, joined forces to bring advancements. Swipe environment, which incorporates decentralized application, local area, and finally its clients. Special highlights of Swipe coin. The SXP token is the local digital currency of the Swipe. It drives a SXP environment and oversees the decentralized convention. According to the Swipe token financial aspects, the complete coursing supply diminishes when the organization is more used. Swipe wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, making recommendations and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay more than 60 million traders overall and used to partake in liquidity mining programs. Market opinions and cost of Swipe coin. The ongoing cost at which Swipe exchanging the market is around $1.27, with an exchanging volume of $112,514,804. It has a market cap of around $249,375,781, a completely weakened market capitalization of $308,057,039, a greatest stockpile of 239,612,084 SXP. The greatest cost at which Swipe exchanged was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which was a long time back. Specialized investigation shows that Swipe cost today is exchanging negatively. In any case, after the negative sign development, the sideways exchanging go on for the following couple of days. After the bullish pattern of SXP exchanges from July to September, the Swipe value bobs and hits $4.66 on August the 23rd of September 7 is the dim day of the crypto market. The whole digital currency market has plunged, breaking every one of the expectations. Swipe financial backers go to sell Swipe mode and benefit booking. The cost of Swipe has tumbled from $3.92 to $2.13. SXP cost proceeded with a sideways pattern without making new levels. The following quick obstruction level is $1.80. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an opposition level of $2.35. The significant obstruction obstacle for the year is $3.52, according to examination. $3.52 is going about as a significant obstruction level to enroll another high of Swipe. Yet it may not occur in that frame of mind since many factors generally impact crypto coins and the crypto economy. This is the exchange set of Swipe from the last month onwards, despite the fact that it gave huge benefit for financial backers somewhat recently. Last month a moderate misfortune book. Swipe was sideways in the equal scope of $1 to $2. According to the anticipated level, it will turn bullish by breaking the sideways zone and getting the energy soon. The cost of Swipe is moving underneath its 20 EMA, 50 EMA, and 200 EMA. Dread and avarice file is set at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Cryptographic money devotees don't know about the Swipe risk. Specialized markers for Swipe value expectation are displayed in the figure. The MACD line might cross the sign line in the forthcoming meetings yet isn't sufficiently able to climb. Relative list strength is put at 37, which is unbiased. The cost neither shows the purchase Swipe signal nor does it demonstrate the sell signal. Market feelings on Swipe cost are impartial, and a similar will go on for the week. Prompt help is set at $2.31, and significant help levels are 62 cents and 15 cents. Breaking the $1 support zone can make an unexpected fall in Swipe. At this point, specialized examination isn't demonstrating a separate beneath the significant help zone, and a transcend obstruction levels can take Swipe into a higher worth zone. Demonstrates that the token is a magnificent long-haul speculation decision. In light of the examination, the cost might arrive at a greatest degree of $6.15 by 2027. On the off chance that dealers put resources into the coin today for a very long time, they might procure a benefit of around plus 396.05%. The Swipe token won't be a productive resource for the present moment. as indicated by the past value developments and information. The most extreme cost level for 2022 can be around $2.18 with a base cost and the typical cost of $1.83 and $1.89. The crypto market is very developing, and the costs of SXP tokens will likewise fill from now on. It can arrive at a most extreme value level of $12.68 constantly 2027, while the typical cost is supposed to be $11. The swipe cost estimate for what's to come is extremely bullish. On the off chance that the coin can break critical mental obstruction levels, the worth of the SXP token might increment and make another unsurpassed high. It is a success and an extraordinary digital money accessible at a lower cost. The worth of coins might increment soon, on the lookout. Swipe cost is supposed to increment and give great returns, continuously finishing itself assuming worldwide signals are in favor. Brokers might put resources into plunge for a decent return. Risk is an inescapable piece of the crypto space. For financial backers who will face challenges, SXP can be another expansion to their portfolio. Swipe Value Forecast 2022. The SXP gauge for 2022 recommends that the cost could be around $1.63 at the outset. The typical cost range perhaps around $2.75. The most extreme cost for the year end is gauged to be around $2.25. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment definitely in the year 2022 according to the figure. Consequently, the swipe digital currency market isn't giving an unexpected lucrative sign for those wanting to contribute for 2022, as it were. Swipe Value Expectation 2023. SXP cost expectation shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a most extreme scope of $3 to $4 with a typical cost of $3.53. According to the conjecture, the SXP cost is great for the year. On the off chance that the cryptographic money market is bullish, swipe can break the greatest cost around the same time. Swipe Value Expectation 2024. Our conjecture shows that swipe will break the $5.56 opposition level and make an unsurpassed high. The cost of SXP is bullish and is supposed to be around $6.43. Numerous brokers might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated manner. And our SXP token figures show that the cost will not go underneath $5, which will be the least cost of the coin in 2024. SXP Value Gauge 2025. 5 years down the line, colossal turns of events and acknowledgement of swipe are supposed to occur. The coin will make a tremendous spike and it will prompt an expansion in SXP cost. Our conjectures show that it will cross the $7 mark toward the finish of 2025. Long-haul financial backers might search for a decent chance for long-haul venture. SXP Value Expectation 2026. Specialized arrangement demonstrates the cost of SXP could go to a bull run in the close to time. Swipe coin is supposed to exchange at a degree of $7.23 minus $8.95 continuously finishing. Swipe has a long-haul procuring potential. It deals with quality upgrades to offer better support and benefit.